What's up, guys? So we are back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we're going to get the Fox body to make more boost. So we're going to start with my wastegate here. There it is. If it'll focus. Yep, there it is. And it has a 6-pound spring in it right now. And it's only making about like 3 pounds of boost. So we're going to put the 12-pound spring in it. Right there it goes, right there. And hopefully it'll make about 8 or 9 pounds. Hopefully it doesn't make 12 on the current setup that I have right now. And then once it's, you know, running safely and all that fun stuff, we're going to get it on the dyno and really get some numbers. Right now, the car is actually running great. The tune is great on it. It hasn't given me any issues. I've only been driving it probably for, 2 weeks now, but 2 or 3 weeks. So I'm super impressed with how the car is doing. And yeah, it's time to turn the boost up. So stay tuned. All right, so we got the 6-pound spring out and the 12 going in. Guys, so we got both 6-pound springs out. The 12-pounders are in here, as you saw. And we're going to get these back on the car. Make sure the car is obviously, running safe and doing what it's supposed to do before we get it on the dyno. Yeah, I'm excited to get these back on the car to see if it makes more boost. Hopefully it makes more boost. I'm actually going to be really upset if it doesn't make more boost. So, yeah, here's some more boost. I think I've said boost too many times. Alright, so in that last clip you saw, I made about 8 pounds of boost. The weather has changed drastically since I filmed that last clip. It's a lot cooler now. It's definitely boost weather, so I still want to make sure that it is making boost safely before we get it on the dyno. Hopefully in the next week or 2, I will have that in a separate video, and I will definitely talk more about the Holley HP in that video, and you'll see the car on the dyno for the first time. So I'm excited about that. So let's go. Total bust. As soon as we left the neighborhood, the weather started getting a little bad. When I got onto the highway, I could tell it already had rained a little bit, so I was pretty cautious when making a pull. But the car ended up spinning anyway from 2nd all the way to 4th gear. But I want to show you the boost that it did make on the logs here, and I will take the car out this weekend with better weather, and hopefully I can stay in boost longer, and then definitely get it on the dyno. So. All right, so the log is showing my 2nd, 3rd, and 4th gear here. Like I said, I spun the whole time. So in 2nd, The highest I made was 5.5 pounds of boost at 68% throttle. And then moving into third gear, I made 7 pounds at 90% throttle. And then I think the most that I made for fourth was like 5.9 at 60% because I was spinning. All right, so we made it to the dyno. I am here at Livernois Motorsports today. Shout out to them. And safe to say that the car probably just makes about 8 pounds of boost consistently. We're gonna get on the dyno and just, you know, see what the car does today. But I'm excited, so stay tuned for the next video featuring the car on the dyno, and you'll see what it makes. See ya.